Nowadays, household appliances are an integral part of every person's life. Everyone has long been accustomed to using dishwashers, vacuum cleaners, and other technical devices that simplify our lives. But unfortunately, household appliances sometimes fail, and it may be necessary to repair them. Given that we live in the age of digital transformation, now there are methods that allow customer service agents to diagnose remotely a problem, and in some cases, help the device owners to fix a problem with remote support from a customer service agent. So today, we will talk about visual assistance for home appliances. What is visual assistance? Visual assistance is a web application through which a person who has encountered a breakdown or malfunction of a household appliance can get advice or detailed instructions via a video session using annotations, text and graphics, for example, on how to solve the problem. How does visual assistance work? Visual assistance simplifies communication between home appliance manufacturers and users. Let's look at an example of how a customer session with a customer service agent happens. First, the manufacturer creates a web page with a process flow to collect contact information and other relevant data from the user. Example, customer and field technician who is looking for help. Using the Visual Assistance app, the service agent will create a link for the video call and send it to the user. Examples would include through email, SMS, WhatsApp, or Telegram. The user opens the link and starts a video call with a service agent. The agent sees what the user sees through the camera of their mobile device. The agent guides the user step by step through the appropriate procedures, providing real-time verbal and visual instructions, notes and drawings, for example, on the screen of their mobile device. This will allow the agent to diagnose and, if possible, fix the problem remotely. If the problem cannot be diagnosed or solved remotely, the service agent will schedule a home or site visit for an engineer or have the appliance collected for repair or replacement. The Visual Assistance application can also be integrated with a third-party support provider. As for the scope of use, Visual Assistance can be used to provide top-level support for various categories of home appliances: TVs, smart devices, low-T devices, washing machines, ovens, and other home appliances. Also, extended ISP service support can be applied to the initial investigation of a potential problem. The main benefits of Visual Assistance are its reduction in the number of home and site visits, increase in first call resolution rate, and more effective use in sharing of expertise. For example, because experts do not necessarily have to travel to the site if they can support a less experienced engineer remotely. Considering all the advantages of Visual Assistance, this solution will become an indispensable assistant in the life of every person, which will help save time and money. You can learn more about Visual Assistance on our website, www.frox-industries.com.